What is up, you guys? We're back at it again.
Me in that box.
What is that? What the fuck is that? Man, you hermit, man. With it, everybody's asking. You guys have been asking a lot, like what the hell is Kay doing? We've all been asking, but no one really knows exactly what she's doing. So we're just looking at her and trying to figure out what is wrong with her. We're trying to figure out where her.
Welcome back, it's Preload K back again.
It gotta be a better way to get this cheese, huh? Dirty money, clean my problems, hit me if you need some. You could get it 2 for 10, got you if you need one. No coincidence, they only hit me when they need some. Young nigga wanna be a baller, can't be no rerun. Nigga, once it leave my hand, you can't get no refund. Tryna little boy, nigga, I might have to tweet some. Playing with them keys, I might fall around and delete some. Them niggas wanna be a shot caller until them shots call ya. A nigga only live once, so I might raw dog her. Stick it in the pelvis, gotta call me a father. Hot dog, glizzy, always ready, shine. And I wanna be the man, already am, I still go harder. Break the tree through, I might fuck around, send a charter. Bro, what I'm free through it, turn out it's your daughter. Hey man, say man, free my nigga Richie, man. Watch this, go. You heard that? 20 bowls on her, walk in, it went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line, I told my brother, bring it in. Living in the lion's den. Every day I'm trying to win, I pray to God forgive my sins. He know I'm thugging to the end.
Oh, big copyright. How are you doing today? That's good. How'd you sleep? What it do, fam? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Today, we're waiting on Kay. We're at the basketball. Nope. What? Did I just say a basketball? Bro, we're at a gas station. We're about to try to do like a little gas station shoot. I'm thinking like this is the scenery right here. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the scenery right here. So I'm about to see like, you know, maybe if we can go inside or something. See, like it used to be a sit-go. Like that's crazy. It's an old like little sit-go. But I'm gonna see if we possibly could get like some access into going inside, doing a shoot and stuff like that. I'm about to drink my energy drink, so hopefully we can get some access like that. If not, you know, it just kind of is what it is. I'm not tripping. We'll just do it outside, or we'll try another gas station, because I be forgetting that there's hella gas stations in this world. So if this one don't work, we can go to the next one. If the next one don't work, we can go to the next one. And I'm trying to think, do we try the calm, cool, collective approach, where it's like, you know, we ask and say, hey, by any chance, could we? You know what I mean? Or do we do the approach where it's just like, fuck it, let's do it. You know what I mean? So, but I'm probably gonna be compact with this. I might not bring out my flash, like my big flash or like that. I might just straight handheld it. So we'll see, because I might just do handheld. I might just do a handheld vibe, yeah. That's what I might do. Because then we can still like probably like walk in, like get on one aisle and just like fume real quick. But if I only get one chance, I might have to like do it for YouTube and then force it into a reel. I'm trying to see which one's more important. Like, should I try to just force the reel or force the YouTube? I feel like I need the YouTube video, and I feel like I can always make the YouTube video into a reel later. But yeah, I got a big problem with rambling, so I'm sorry, you guys. Some of y'all say y'all like me talking a lot, and then some of y'all say y'all don't say the other thing. Y'all just say y'all like hearing me talk. But I guess, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel like y'all be capping and just saying that. But we're waiting on Kay, and when she gets here, I'll get back at you guys. And yeah. What is she doing? Hello. Oh, big copyright. How are you doing today? That's good. How'd you sleep?
Early.
You went to sleep early? Oh yeah, you did take me like 9, like 10 to go to sleep. Yeah, good. That's why you feel good, because you got a good night's sleep. You're not cranky. We love that. Do you not like it?
No, I like I'm
Scared of what? Then we just get off their property. That's all I'm thinking. Like I was thinking. That's why I don't want to choose. I don't want to choose a gas station that we would actually use. This is a gas station that we would not go to. I've never been here before. It's my first time ever. I feel like they sell weed. If they sell weed, we have a leverage on them. You get what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, I just call the police. Type shit. Like what? So it's like, hey, bro, because they got a speaker outside. That already tells me that they're kind of cool. Not cool, but like, you get what I'm saying? I was thinking about that, but I was thinking like, should we shoot outside first and then like go inside, or should we just try to just go straight inside? I was gonna say, yeah, we did a dance first, get it over with. I want to shoot by the pumps too, and then like maybe he'll look out the window and already see us doing it. To ask first, I feel like I don't know, bro. I've been through this shit so many times, bro. To where it's like when you ask, bro. Obviously, I would ask for the inside.
Yeah.
But it's. The outside, I'm saying like, cause I'm saying like if we're already doing it outside and then he sees us and we ask to go about inside, but I don't want them to say no and then now we can't take pictures at all out here and now we're like fuck, or do we just not care at that point? You see what I'm saying? Cause now we're really gonna be scared cause we already got told to stop. You see what I'm saying? So now it's like, damn, we gotta find another what's the name? Another gas station. I want to do the right thing, bro. Kay wants me to do the right thing. The fuck, bro? I'm gonna ask, bro. I'm gonna go in here and ask. Oh, should I bring the camera, y'all? I feel like y'all gotta come. Jesus Christ, bro. I gotta be the man of this thing. I'm gonna hold the camera down. Y'all ready? English?
Yes.
Is it okay if I take pictures here? I take some pictures here?
For what?
Just like personal pictures. Is that okay?
Oh, good.
Yeah, that's fine. Can I take some inside as well?
Side as well?
Yeah.
This time you're a company?
Photographer, yeah.
Photographer?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine? Okay.
Go ahead.
Thank you. I just wanted to let you know. I just wanted to let you know before. Thank you. All right. They said that's fine. They said, are you a photographer? Are you a company? What's your name? I said, my name's Taxi. He said, okay, that's fine. I think it, you know what it is? The collared shirt. If I went there and I didn't have a collared shirt on, I wouldn't have looked official.
Be professional.
Exactly. It's the collared shirt. We try to do everything right. I was thinking that, I was like, man, I really hope they're nice, bro. I was like, I don't want to go in here and it's like a janky thing and like, you know. So we'll start outside, I guess, and then we'll go inside. There's like a lot of workers in there, no cap. I thought it was about to be just one person. It's actually a nice store. Like it doesn't look terrible. I thought it was gonna look so bad.
Never judge a book by its cover.
What? We just learned that. I ain't gonna lie.
Never judge a book by its cover.
But I was looking at that shit and I'm like, it's actually a nice store. They had like a cookery around the side.
Oh,
and then she about to come say no. She about to come tell me no. Go ahead. Hey, what's up? Yeah, that's fine.
Because I spoke to the owner and he said if you take a picture just the store, no.
Oh no.
Take picture
No, I've heard.
Okay.
Yeah, I've heard. No, of course, no problem. Yeah, that's good. It was like if it was just of the store itself, she didn't want to get in trouble, so I'm pretty sure she just called the owner.
Yeah.
Cause she just got off the phone when she was walking out. She said, "Is it for someone?" And I was like, "Yeah." She's like, "Okay," but she thought that I was gonna come in and take pictures of just the store, I'm guessing. But give us a fit check. I thought she was gonna say if it was of a model, no. If it was of the store, yes. That's why I didn't know. If they got Instagram, I'll tag them. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Give us a twist, a turn. Yeah. Kay always putting that shit on for some reason. You know, I don't know. Are we trying to figure out? Their parking spots are like dumb close.
Yeah, I know.
Kay got matches, you guys. She don't use lighters.
Highlighters, bro.
I'm like, this girl got a whole ass match. She got green matches in the car. Cause what the fuck is you striking them on?
There's a sign that you have to light
No, but that's terrible. All right, y'all, we about to unpack the thing and I'm about to go inside. Yeah, you ain't never seen this shit before. Ah! So today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm trying to go light, you guys. And then I got this thing right here in my pocket, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna pull that out when needed. I probably should like pair that bit right now so I don't have to like try to pair it again. Make sure it's already like paired to my camera. So I don't gotta try to pair it again. But this is the V1 flash if you guys don't already know. Yeah, you guys, we're about to do a little shooty shoot. If we get kicked out, y'all have consent that she said that we could do it. Appreciate you, yeah. There you go. All right, where you wanna do that?
I thought we were doing outside first.
Huh?
I thought we were doing outside.
We walk straight in. Fuck it. See, it's actually cute. I'm holding y'all down because I'm trying to get used to being in here first before I hold y'all up. Oh, there's that, then there's that. Oh, there's that. All the drinks over there. And then there's over here. I gotta like forget that these people don't pay my bills, so I gotta hold my camera up because this is what matters. I guess this could be still kind of cool because like the angle. Yeah, the angle's kind of cool. All right, I need higher energy. I need to wake up, y'all. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'll be making these videos too long, and then when it comes time for me to edit, I'll be like, oh my God, what the fuck am I doing in my life? We are in our own world now. All right, we're just like blinders are on, you know what I'm saying? Taxi PNG camera strap. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, you guys. You have to be subscribed to the email list, so go to taxipng.com for the email list. And yeah, what is up, you guys? We're back at it again, man. I already did the intro, but we're here with Kay. As you can see, we are doing a gas station shoot. I called this a basketball court earlier. I stuttered. And I was like, we're at a basketball court, and then I fucked up. But we're at a gas station, so yeah, we better have some fun. It's not necessarily a gas, it's like a convenience store more so. But they're kind of chill here. They're kind of cool. They're kind of vibing with your boy. So yeah, don't try this at home. When that first flash go off, that's how we're gonna know whether they fuck with us or not. Like the people, the workers, because the flash different. The flash is different. I'm about to go down on my thing. I'm using my V1 flash, you guys. Make sure y'all boys can still hear me. 8 of power. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that made everything worth it, y'all boy. That bit look good. That bit look good. I'm making sure the audio is good. That bit look good. That bit look good. Yeah, let's do it. Come on, fuck it. All right, I'm at 1/8 power, you guys, to the second, like 1/8 power plus 0.2, and then I have ISO 100. I have f 5, and then shutter 100 as well. Let me do a damn. Oh yeah, these are so hard, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. These are, huh? I'm sorry. These are so hard, bro. These look so good. No cap. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look like up and off, like away, like that way. Yeah, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. She has like a reflection, so like not a reflection, but like the flash goes off and then like bounces off the glass. So I'm trying to put it in front of her face, because like when I have it out here, it bounces off the back and then comes back at me. So I put it kind of like in front of her, so it just flashes and it hits her, and then the extra flash doesn't come back, you know. All right, ready, go ahead. So like, I'm thinking like,
Are you there?
up and off, like up that way, yeah. Up, head up. Look at me, like look up at me, yeah. Hold it. Turn your head more towards me, yeah. And look. I would say look straight, but like you'll probably look at them and like, oh, I can look down. That looks cute. Hold it. Make it like a low shit. This shit's so different. I'm gonna be like, the video's gonna be like, this is your sign to do a gas station photo shoot.
Yeah.
All types of photos?
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
Can I have your number?
Yes, you can.
Maybe we can do
I can get you. Want me to get you a card? I can get you a
Sure,
card so you can have a
please,
physical
because
piece.
maybe we can do something here.
Yeah.
Be interesting.
No, of course. Of course, I got you. I'm gonna be right back.
Business.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's how I usually go. You know, that's how I do. Oh shit, we getting a freestyle from K. Oh, y'all gotta pay for this usually. Oh, y'all getting it for the free ski. Oh, okay, good. Excuse me. All right, y'all, I'm about to reconvene. Episode 2, part 2 coming soon. I'm about to start cutting all of these into parts that are easier for me to edit. You guys want me to keep staying every single day consistent? I can do that and post every single day, Monday through Friday, if I have parts. So yeah, love you guys. I might not be posting tomorrow because tomorrow's Saturday and Sunday, so I might leave those days as my off days to like get ready for the week, and I might just post Monday through Friday. Yeah, in order for me to stay like sane and not go insane, you know? Love you guys. Yeah!
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich T, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bones.